Hey guys, so now I'm gonna react on Thalapathy Vijay birthday special mashup 2020. But before that, happy birthday Thalapathy Vijay! So hello everyone, I'm Manali Naik and welcome to my channel Winky Mona. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो please do subscribe my channel. So let's go.
வாழ வைத்த தேவர்களான தமிழக மக்கள்
என் நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும் இந்த அன்பா அன்புகள் ரசிகர்களின் இதயம் துடிக்கும் எல்லா ஆசிரியர் விஜய் சந்திப்பு ஆசை தெலுங்கு சொன்னாலே சொல்லுவாங்க ஒரே
That's awesome.
என் கூட பிறந்த ஒரு அண்ணனா ஒரு தம்பியா ஒரு தங்கச்சியா
Okay, a brother and a sister.
வித்யா
Yeah.
நீ உங்ககிட்ட வளர வேண்டாம் என்கிட்ட வளர்த்து நீ 3 வயசுல அவர் எடுத்துட்டு
கொயிட்டானது வந்து என்னோட டாக்டர் இறந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம்
Oh.
என்னுடைய முதல் படம் நாடகம் இருக்கு ஆனா அந்த படம் எனக்கு கைவிட்டுச்சு
இதெல்லாம் ஒரு மூஞ்சியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு மேகசின் வந்து
Oh shit.
அழுதும் நல்லாவே ஒரு நைட்டு ஃபுல்லா அழுது.
அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் ரசிகன் நம்பினேன் அந்த படமும் ஒரு கைவிட்டு
Yeah.
ரசிகன்
Really. Kokiri. After Rajnikant sir. Right. Right. Samrat of South Indian box office. Kokiri का scene है ना this? Wanted का था. I got jealous. What a man does it. Okay, so Surya was getting jealous of it.
ஒரு 2-3 லைன் கொஞ்சம் வேற மாதிரி ட்ரை பண்ணலாம்
Wow. That is my favorite character.
Peace, bro.
Triumph बन गया our favorite character. Twinkle style.
எவனை எங்க உட்கார வைக்கணுமோ அவனை அங்கங்கே கரெக்டா உட்கார வச்சுக்கணும் ஒரு மன்னர் கரெக்டா இருந்தா ஒரு தலைவன் கரெக்டா ஸ்ட்ராங்கா நல்லவனா இருந்தா
Yeah, if the leader is good, the gang will also be good. What's that?
The income tax department raided Tamil actor Vijay's Chennai residence on Wednesday.
வேற வழியே இல்ல அதெல்லாம் தாண்டி தான் நம்ம வந்தா kill them with your
It happens.
bury them with your smile.
Yeah.
ஜெய் சார் என்னுடைய பிறந்தநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Ah, that scene. Oh my god, I almost cried.
எப்படி இவர் ஏற்றுப்பாரு அப்படின்ற விஷயம் பார்க்கல பட் ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக் க்ரோத் ஆஃப் an actor.
So cute, the cast.
பிளாக் பஸ்டர்
கொஞ்சம் அங்கே பாருங்க
300 crore begin. Wow. What a thing. How can someone say that?
நம்பர் அஜித் மாதிரி டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறது
He is Thala Ajit. Wow. Super master of five. That scene, Sarkar scene.
மொத்தம் 10 பேரை எதிர்த்தான்னா அவன் வீரன் 10 பேர் சேர்ந்து ஒருத்தன் எதிர்த்தா அவன் தலைவன்
தலைவன்கிறது நாம தேடி போற விஷயம் இல்லை நம்ம தேடி வர விஷயம்
Awesome.
எனக்கு
1.30 crore.
இதுதான் நம்ம
Most charming.
Good time.
விஜய் ஜோடி விஜய்
ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தாங்க, ஒண்ணா படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அதுல ஒருத்தருக்கு மட்டும் ஒரு பெரிய ஆக்டர் ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கிறது ஆசை. நம்மள வந்து ரசிகர்கள் ஏற்றுப்பாங்களா, என்னைக்காச்சும் ஒரு நாள் உடம்பாடு அது கிடைக்குமா? இன்னைக்கு அதே மேகசின் வந்து கவர் பேஜுக்கு
நீ படிச்ச ஸ்கூல்ல நான்
Same magazine cover page.
எங்க இருக்கோம்
சார் என்ன எதுக்காக கூட்டிட்டு வந்திருக்கீங்க?
என்னையா நீ என்ன பேர்
என்ன நடந்துச்சு நேத்து?
Awesome.
வெரி நம்ம
வெற்றிக்கு பின்னாடி ஒரு ஆணோ ஒரு பொண்ணோ இருப்பாங்க. எனக்கு
Wow. Wow. Let me say this Mansoor Rashid Edits has done a really great job and I love this video. Actually, I was extremely afraid to react on this video because of those copyright strikes which I'm already facing on my channel. But I couldn't stop myself because it's Thalapathy Vijay's birthday and I was super duper excited. So what a video. It was an inspiring story of Thalapathy Vijay, if you can say. Like, it was a full life story of him. Oh my god, the words said by him, the way he faced all the situation, the way he faced all the criticism, the way he was put down and everything, and now he is like shining like a sunshine in front of us. That was like awesome, mind blowing. I love the music, the background music which was running in this video. Everything was powerful of Thalapathy Vijay, each and everything. He's master of fights, you can say. Like, all those fights saying dhar dhar dur dish dish, the way he carried a man on his shoulder and everything, superb. The chewing gum style is my favorite, as you guys know, and I was waiting for my favorite character Rayappan, so he was there. Bigly. Everything was super. 300 crore Bigil earned. Oh my god, I wasn't knowing. And great respect to this man. 1.30 crore he donated for Corona Relief Fund. Oh my god, that was superb. The way he said, kill them with success, bury them with your smile. Oh my god, that was super. Because जिस मैगजीन ने उनके फोटो छाप के, द फर्स्ट मूवी वाज फ्लॉप राइट, उसके बाद जिस मैगजीन ने उनका फोटो छाप के ऐसा लिखा था, he had a pathetic face, his face is like a rustic bottle. उसी मैगजीन के फ्रंट पेज में, after giving lots of hit, his fans are supporting him everywhere, fans are crazy. I could hear that crowd and that was awesome. उसके बाद he's again there on the same magazine front page. See how time changed and how people need you when once you're successful. This is awesome. What an inspirational story. Wow, mind blowing. The way Surya sir said he was getting jealous of him because he danced very well and everything. So that was extremely cute. The way Dhanush sir was praising him, the way Rajnikant sir was praising him. Oh my god, that was awesome. Mind blowing. In the video, I saw how people were getting crazy in theaters as well. Oh my god, that was mind blowing. So they spoke about the sister of Thalapathy Vijay, Vidya, who was his younger sister and who died, I guess she was just 3 years old then. And after that, Thalapathy Vijay became a very silent person and all. And then he decided to enter into movies. And his first movie was super duper flop, and that's the reason people tried to demotivate him, tried to pull him down because of his looks and everything. People tried to judge him on his looks, and he's the one saying that you only need talent to grow. And I really love South industry for this, because they appreciate talent and they bring talent instead of nepotism and everything. The nepotism is the very hot topic nowadays, as you guys know. So I loved South industry for that as well. So when his first movie was flopped, he cried all night. He was devastated and everything. And after that, the way Mansoor Rashid Edit show that the picture which were hit like Katahati, Thukki, this, that, Bigil, and I guess Master will be also there in that list because Master is gonna release soon. Yeah. There were so many movies in the Pokiri Wala, the way he comes running, that scene, the Sarkar scene, the way he bangs his head, okay, the Theory scene, the way there were fighting scenes in those police dress, the way he picks up his dhoti, Mercer scene, and so many different scenes, man. I think I'm forgetting the names, but there were so many different scenes which were awesome. If you guys know the names, please do mention in the comment section. If the leader is good, the gang will also be good. And the gang is actually good because in my comment section, I have only received love from his fans, and his fans are really awesome. I should be appreciating this as well. He dressed like Ajit, and Ajit and Thalapathy Vijay are best friends, it seems to be, because they both were shown dressed up like same, like each other, and they both were sharing some nice moments with each other. That was awesome too. There was Bigil bike scene as well. So I really enjoyed this video from start to end, and I didn't even realize this video was of 6 minutes long. It was so awesome, so inspiring, and mind-blowing. So this was my reaction on Thalapathy Vijay birthday special matchup 2020. Once again, I wish Thalapathy Vijay happy birthday. So I come up with videos every day, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Baki parat nahi aalech ha. Bye.